Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am going to be talking about the KDP hardcovers. I already have my sample here to show you guys in this video, but I wanted to go over a few things and just make the announcement if you haven't seen it or if you haven't already logged into your KDP dashboard. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm already logged into my dashboard, and as you can see, you have hardcovers now. So they introduced the Kindle Vella. We started with ebooks here on KDP. Then they introduced the paperback as beta, and that's been going on for some years now, at least maybe 3 years. And now we have hardcovers. KDP is slowly rolling this out, but I'm super excited that we now have this option. And you basically upload it the same way that you do a paperback. Of course, the specs will be different, but I want to go over that with you guys here. They have a whole tab about information about the hardcover, the case laminate cover, how to publish it, turning existing paperbacks and ebooks into hardcovers, the print options, about how many papers you have. They do have only 5 trim sizes available for you to do hardcovers in. Make sure you check that out before you go ahead and do that. They can help you here with the cover formatting because somebody's going to ask. I'm going to make sure I use this link and put it in the description of this box because you guys do not like to do any type of research and y'all like everything handed to you. I'm going to leave this link in the description box, and it basically just gives you a little bit more information. I'm going to leave this link. I'm going to say that again. And it shows you the hardcover file, how to order copies, the trim sizes. All of that information is on this page. And at the end of this video, you guys will see me unboxing my hardcover journal that I got from Amazon KDP. Keep watching so you can see the unboxing of my very first hardcover journal. All right, my hardcover book is here and comes in a regular Amazon box. It didn't take long like this. And the first thing that we see is handprints that did not come from me, which I hate because it looks horrible to the eye. So if I put my hand on there, my hands are clean, but it came obviously with someone else's handprints all over it. Now I do have a Lysol wipe and I want to see if that will help. And then I have a towel and that did not help. A regular towel won't help. Well, it looks like it came off a little bit, but it has that little discoloration here. So I'm gonna just slightly go over these 2 spots as well. And it looks like it's trying to take some of the color off, but it's handprints all over. That is the one thing that I did not enjoy. If anyone knows a good way to get the handprints off of the matte cover, let me know. I did my best to wipe that off. As you can see, can't see the handprints anymore, but not happy about that. I think I did 200 pages and I did a checklist, like a weekly checklist, and this is on the cream paper. So I can go through here and do checklists for each day of the week, things that I need to do. Spine is nice and thick. Here's the back with the barcode and the ISBN. Again, handprints on the back as well that did not come from me. As I'm handling the book, you don't see any of my handprints on the book, okay? Crack the spine to sit it flat. Nice and sturdy. It's printed in Illinois on September 16th. And I got it this past weekend, which is like the 24th. So papers are nice and thick. It has that extra sheet in the front. And then like 1, 2 extra sheet of thicker paper in the back. and then the regular paper. So I think I did 200 sheets, I believe. Here is my first hardcover journal from Amazon. And overall, looks good, sturdy, comparable to a lot of other sites. Just not satisfied with the handprints. Maybe glossy and might be a better option for black, but you know the darker colors do. Again, this is me with my fingers and there's no handprints, so I don't know how they handled it when they package it, but as far as me handling it, no fingerprints. That is my only concern. But I hope you guys enjoyed the informational video about the KDP hard bags, and I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.